Hello, family and friends. This is Beverly Black. I am in the backyard. I've been watering flowers, just piddling in the backyard a little bit. But I have not done a video this spring to show you what we have planted thus far. Not planting as much this year as we normally do, but we have started planting. I hope everybody is blessed and having a good day. It's a little cloudy looking here today and the wind is blowing, but it's still a blessed day in the Lord. So come on and walk around with me for a little while and we'll check out the few plants that we do have. Jimmy has been working on the pond, so it's a work in progress. He's doing new things. He's going to get new flowers for it. But I am going to show you what we do have. The pond has been drained and cleaned out, has fresh water in it. The weeds around it needs to be pulled down, but it's working. He has iris and some lilies that are in the pond. He's going to get some more lily pads, but it is coming along. You see the trees blowing, the wind is blowing today. I moved my peony last year, and it's pretty and green, but it doesn't have any blooms on it as of yet. And next to the peony is a freezer. I'm going to put some purple petunias in with it. So I have to go get those, so it'll be decked out. Here's the bluebell. It is loaded. I can't wait till they all come out. It should be very pretty this year. I have a pot here with some fresh mint in it. I wish you could smell it. It smells so good. And at night, these lights, they light up. There's 3 pots back here on the deck, and they are lit up at nighttime. This is my gardenia. When we had that real bad cold spell, it nearly killed it. And Jimmy told me to cut it all the way back, and I did, and she's trying to come back now. Last year she had so many pretty gardenias on it. I have 3 pots that have hosta in them, because if you put them in the ground, a lot of times the animals will get it. There's another one. And over there, I don't know if you can see it. There it is. There's another pot with some hosta in it. Aren't they gorgeous? I love that orange color. And more are blooming out. Just look. Isn't that beautiful? And this is a Rose of Sharon tree. The critters have not gotten the hosta that is around the pond. It is still standing. This little windmill here, Jimmy made that. It's been here for years. Japanese red maple tree. And hosta on the other side of the pond. Jimmy's garden, little small garden that he made. He has tomatoes and peppers, squash and cucumbers in it. I meant bell peppers. Bell peppers is what. See? He even has some tomatoes on his vine. Look at there. Yeah. It's looking good over here. Everything's standing up good. I can't wait till the squash and the cucumbers are coming forward. And my yellow rose, I was gifted this. A man at Rural King had several of them that he was going to purchase, and he was talking to my husband about them. And Jimmy was complimenting about how pretty the yellow rose was. And this man said, "Here, take one to your wife." Such a blessing. And this yellow iris here. Last year, Jimmy just pulled a little twig off of the knockoff roses and just stuck it in this pot. And look how it's growing. Just stuck it in here. The rhododendron is in full bloom, and she is blooming out. Just look. It is a big bush. I have two hanging pots with petunias in it right here, and they are getting thick and luscious. Just look. The color is so vibrant. And we have a clematis right next to it. In purple. It is deep and beautiful. I want you to see this flower bed in the front as you walk up to it. It's full of waves and petunias. It is beautiful. Just look at it. And here's a little pot. It's not a little pot, but a pot that's next to the garage. And this is a new one that was just planted yesterday. Hanging right here. And here are the flowers that are next to the house. Pot right here. Look. And the two ferns hanging here. With the wind chime in the middle. These are my beautiful flowers so far. I hope everyone has enjoyed this video. I love flowers. I love them. And they are coming out real good. So everyone be blessed and prosperous. Remember, I love you, but God loves you more. Why? Because you are his masterpiece. And our God does not make any junk. Love you. Be safe. Bye-bye.
for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous, getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. I'm growing